तो दिल्ली में थोड़ा हॉलीडे सीजन में जब ठंड हो जाती है थोड़ा दैट्स दैट वाइब यार। Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Kshitij and this is my vlog channel. Firstly, a very happy Christmas to you guys. I hope your Christmas went fucking amazing. It's the holiday season और दिल्ली में मैं हूं ना यार, यहाँ पे ठंड हो रखी है इतनी सही, ये जैकेट वैकेट पहन के ना हॉलिडे सीजन एकदम ही अमेजिंग होता है। वर्सेस इफ यू इन मुंबई जहाँ पे वेदर चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा है, या फिर तुम बैंगलोर में जहाँ पे वो सिटी ऑल राउंड देयर अपनी समता बनाए बैठी हुई है और वहाँ का वेदर इतना सा भी चेंज नहीं होता है, गजब ही चल रहा है। तो दिल्ली में थोड़ा हॉलिडे सीजन में जब ठंड हो जाती है ना थोड़ा दैट्स दैट वाइब यार। और इट्स जस्ट दैट आई हैव ग्रोन अप हियर और फिर बचपन से यही वाइब पे मैं क्या बोलते हैं उसको एसोसिएट करता हूँ हॉलिडे सीजन को एंड जस्ट लाइक अ वेरी हैप्पी टाइम यार। अगले हफ्ते न्यू ईयर्स ईव होने वाली है एंड दैट्स गोना बी अनदर एपिक डे एज वेल। दैट्स वन डे जो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू ऑल अराउंड द ईयर। सो टुडे बीइंग ट्यूसडे, टुडे बीइंग द स्टार्ट ऑफ अ न्यू वीक, एक्चुअली मंडे को वीक स्टार्ट होता है बट ठीक है हम ट्यूसडे को करेंगे। दिस इज द टाइम फॉर माय वीकली रिव्यू, व्हाट आई गॉट डन लास्ट वीक, व्हाट वर द लेसन्स आई लर्नड, व्हाट एम आई ग्रेटफुल फॉर, हाउ वाज द पास्ट वीक, बना कैसे था यार ये हफ्ता, ठीक है, सो दैट यू गाइस कैन लर्न फ्रॉम माय मिस्टेक्स। फर्स्टली लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द राउंड अप ऑफ द प्रीवियस वीक, व्हाट ऑल वेंट डाउन। द नोटेबल थिंग्स दैट वेंट डाउन वर 7 vlogs got done. I attended 3 days of Camp Kundu. My friend, come brother, my compadre, मेरा भाई, मेरा दोस्त, मेरा यार, love, he got married. I got some bootcamp calls done. I reached out to some people for collaboration. So we've got some collaborations set up for this week and the upcoming weeks. So hopefully we get some growth done there. And all these things you guys must have been updated, yeah, of course. And then finally I went for nuclear with the entire squad, the entire crew. Adi was there with Anna was there, Adi, Anna. And Harman was there and my brother was there. And then after that we celebrated Christmas. I was out with Shawish. And then I met some more of my friends. I was there out with Katoch and more of my friends there. Kafi sare log the wahan pe, we got that done. And just one more thing which I just missed out here, guys, if you're not subscribed yet, like I know you guys are following the vlogs, right? But if you're not subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button, spank it, smash it, demolish it, and let's continue with the video. And if by any chance you guys are not following the vlogs, just go back to the previous week. The vlogs are fucking lit. They're lit AF. Fire. I feel like Kevin Hart doing his stand-up जहाँ पे वो fire बोलते हैं और ऐसे आग आ जाती है। Very similar to वो भूल भुलैया वाला सीन है। पानी हवा बब बेटा पानी हवा बब Next, my top 3 learnings for the week. Number 1, I've kind of been obsessing about the growth of the channel. We did 500 subscribers within the first 5 weeks. और अब the growth has kind of gone down and with just the 600 subscribers 2-3 हफ्ते बाद भी after we hit 500 subscribers. So I've been obsessed with that and I wanted to collaborate with a lot of people. I've been wanting to just reach out to people. But then after talking to a couple of people on the phone and then knowing about their channels, because I've been in touch with a couple of people who've got subscribers to the extent of 70,000, 100,000, 500,000, even to like 800,000. And at the end of it, sure, all those channels, they rack up views, but then do they convert into engagement? Number 1. Secondly, are those views consistent? And thirdly, do they convert into sales, which is like the end goal that I have with Ironman Lifestyle. The vlog channel का वो goal नहीं है, but this review is a combination of the vlog channel and the other channel, Ironman Lifestyle. So that is something that I need to keep in mind, that if I'm collaborating with someone, I need to be sure that the brand that I'm trying to build, which is more of a Gucci or a Louis Vuitton or something like an Adidas original sneaker brand, like the sneakers that I love, वो वाले फीला देख लो यार। नहीं यार बहुत गंदा हो रखा है रूम, अभी कुछ नहीं दिखा रहा मैं तुम्हें। Just a reputed brand versus just like a brand जिसका जब बस content ऐसा सही है उतना सही नहीं है, ढंग से research नहीं है, it's not based out of practical aspects, वो बस कहीं से इधर से पढ़ा है उधर से पढ़ा है और उठा के बस content डाल दिया है, and the production quality is also very low. So that's not the brand that I'm trying to build. I'm not trying to build a fucking Bata out here or a Relaxo. A Gucci or a sneaker brand is what I'm trying to build, something like maybe even Supreme. God damn. और अगर तुम्हें पता नहीं है all these brands that I'm talking about, I don't think you guys watch Ironman Lifestyle. If you do, I don't think तुम लोग boot camps पे आए हो, right? आए हो तो तुम्हें यार ये सारी चीजें पता हो जाएंगी, and अगर नहीं आए हो, so there's a very clear reason, because you're not the people that I'm trying to reach out to. But then the vlogs are definitely for you. The vlogs, the purpose is just learning new things and entertainment. Everything does not need to close. Everything doesn't need to convert into a sale. Secondly, do things legally no matter what fucking happens or no matter how close you are to that person. Start doing things legally. Non-disclosure agreements, employee agreements, consent letters. Because वो जो पिछली videos मैंने हटानी पड़ी थी, अगर मैंने पहले उनसे consent letter sign करवा लिया होता, जो यार काफी मतलब you can't go to a club with like consent letters and be like, guys, I'm featuring you in my vlog, can you please write consent letters? I can't do that, right? But अगर मैंने करवा लिया होता तो मेरे को वो vlog take down नहीं करनी होती. So for future endeavors, I will be getting consent letters and proper legal documents being signed. God damn, जो बड़ा हो रहे हैं यार आजकल. Also, I make it a point to never use copyrighted music music और never use the music जो बाहर clubs में कहीं पे play कर रहा होता है. But यार वो कुछ ना कुछ करके ना किसी तरह आ ही जाता है और उसकी वजह से ये जो पिछले हफ्ते हमने जो काम कुंडू करा था उसकी vlogs were a bit late because हम upload करते थे और copyright का issue आ जाता था and then we had to take it down again and then re-edit it and then put some new music. I need to make sure पहले से ही कि कोई music नहीं आ रहा है और आ रहा है पहले से ही. I send some notes to Sandy and I just want to start doing everything legally out here. Number 3, I need to work more. Since the past month or since the past year, I've known about brand. I know what my brand needs to be, which is a clear Gucci or a Supreme, something like that. Not something which is more of a Bata or like a Relax or something like that. Or Big Bazaar. That's not what I'm going for. I've had amazing production quality. I've had amazing video quality. My editing is nice. My delivery is nice. My personality is nice. My storytelling capabilities, because of doing years of fucking game, have been amazing. And also because I'm an entertainer. So I am a natural born entertainer. I am an extrovert. I am someone who goes out there and gets shit done, who wants to be around people and who has this natural charisma and flair about himself. अगर नहीं भी होता ना तो 7 साल गेम करने के बाद सबका आ ही जाता है. So looking at it from an objective point of view, production quality amazing, brand amazing, communication skills amazing, real product quality amazing. Where are we missing? Reach, distribution, marketing, discoverability. So that is what I need to start focusing on now, rather than trying to make these videos better and better and better and better and better and better. Because not being cocky, but factually, actually speaking, I know my videos are better than the 90% of shitty bullshit content that is out there. Like, I know for sure. Now the problem is that a lot of people haven't discovered the content. If at any time anybody discovers the content, I get shit tons of fucking DMs yaar. On my Instagram, the comments get flooded. People are like, bro, this thing is fucking amazing. I've been binge watching your stuff. If I meet anybody who's watching my vlogs or watching any of my Arman lifestyle videos and I meet that person on the street, or if that person happens to be my friend and I bump into him on the street, he's like, bro, I've been following everything. Your stuff is fucking lit. और अगर you know technically speaking अगर वो बोलेंगे कि वो lit नहीं है तो मैं उनकी बात सुनूंगा नहीं. So selective blind spot मैंने बना रखा है. Everything is fucking positive जो है सही में actually factually speaking as I just said. So I need to stop obsessing over the product quality. I need to stop obsessing over a lot of things like that and focus more on discoverability and reach. And just let my content, let my personality, let my videos do the work for themselves. Those were the top 3 learnings of the week for me. Coming to the final section of the vlog. What am I grateful for the past week? There are a number of things which I'm grateful for. I'm thankful for being able to go for nuclear and having friends like Addy who don't let me pay kahin pe bhi aur wo sare jugaad lag jate hain. Secondly, having friends like Charlie and being able to have the opportunity to go and attend the workshop of the entire crew. Charlie would never ask for money from me. Wo abhi bhi nahi mangte, but now since I'm in a financial position to pay, I'd rather pay and give back to my friends. So that made me feel very good that yeah, the dude put so many years into this thing, okay? And me also running a business, I felt nice just giving back to him because I've learned so much from him over the years, and just his support, being with me, saath mein, just feels fucking amazing. Yeah. Thirdly, I'm grateful for meeting my friends again. Ki you know, love was getting married, and I'm just grateful. Wahan pe a lot of people came. Some of the past friends I met, and just catching up with them, just going there and just enjoying on the fucking dole, yaar, and just fucking shit up. I'm grateful for that. Like, it was more of a playground for me, and which is something that I really appreciate. And then I'm grateful for you guys, yeah, who's just commenting and supporting throughout, and who's just asking me to hold tight that it's okay ki agar growth nahi ho raha hai to, but the content is amazing and I should never stop vlogging. I'm grateful to each and every one of you for being so supportive, for looking at my content every day, and for me having this life where I can create content, where I can do things that I want, and being empowered to make my life whatever way I can make it, and every day wake up and inspire you guys to do the same. Also for Arman Lifestyle, the kind of company that I've always wanted to build, where I'm helping people out, where I'm just doing what I want to do, where I'm working on my passion day in and day out, and just be happy. And then also I'm grateful for the amazing team that I'm surrounded with, who are helping me making these amazing videos that I'm getting to you, and for, you know, the office that we're doing. Just altogether, I'm in a very grateful state. Like, this week has been quite grateful, and gratefulness का ना एक बहुत ही amazing चीज होता है. Even if you feel like you're not grateful for anything, just try to find something to be grateful for. The keyword here is find. Find something to be grateful for, even if it's the morning breakfast and we were able to have our first meal of the day and the universe provided for that. The air we're breathing, the life that we're living, because we're here only for a limited number of time, and each and every breath that we take and each and every moment that we live needs to be lived on fully. So वो पूरे time possible नहीं हो पाता है, but I try to do that the maximum that I can. और अगर कभी आ भी नहीं रहा होता है, just by me building this habit of being grateful for things and finding new things, at the end of it, your mindset, your focus is going to shift from focusing on the negative things to more positive things. So जहाँ पे खुशी होगी भी नहीं, you would not have to look for happiness outside, and you will just be happy intrinsically because you will be able to find happiness in the little of things. And that being said, guys, that's gonna be the vlog for today. If you're not subscribed yet, guys, come on, just hit the subscribe button, spank it, smash it, demolish it, and as always, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace. इसमें एक और चीज है दैट ऑल्सो